Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can rotate an image in Google Docs. This is useful when a photo is uploaded sideways or upside down, or when you want to angle image on purpose for more creative layout, like for a design element or tilted sticker effect. So I don't have any image, so I'm going to quickly insert it by going to insert image, and here you have a couple of options. I'm going to upload it from my computer. Let's say I have this image of this parrot. I'm going to insert it. And now what we can do, you can firstly resize it by the corners of the image. Then you can change the style, how you want to place the image on the page. So you can do inline, you can do wrap text. So this is basically going to wrap the text around the image like this. You can also do break text. This will be in between the sections. Then you can do behind the text or in front of the text. So let's say I can do behind the text, and to rotate this image, you have this circle at the top, so you can drag it to the side for the rotation, and you can see also the angle, so you can maybe do 45 angle like this. Or another way how you can set the angle is by selecting the image, then image options at the top menu, and here where it says size and rotation, you can basically change the angle however you want. So I can type 285. You can change it also by 90 degrees, and that's basically it. You have many different options here. You can also adjust opacity if this is behind the text, so it will make the text stand out more. So this is basically how you can rotate an image in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.